Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we've got a tech tutorial that many of you have been asking for. We're going to walk you through the steps on how to update the software for your LG TV. Keeping your TV's software up to date is crucial for optimal performance and access to the latest features. So, let's dive right in. Before we begin, make sure your LG TV is connected to the internet. Whether it's through Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable, a stable internet connection is essential for a smooth software update process. Step 1. Accessing settings. The first step is accessing the settings menu on your LG TV. Using your remote, press the settings button. It's usually represented by a gear icon. If you can't find it, refer to your TV's user manual for specific instructions. Step 2. Navigating to all settings. Once you're in the settings menu, navigate to the all settings option. This is where you'll find various settings related to your TV's operation. Step 3. Selecting general. Now, within the all settings menu, find and select the general option. This is where you'll locate the software update settings for your LG TV. Step 4. Checking for updates. Once you're in the general settings, look for an option called About this TV or something similar. Here, you'll find information about your TV, including the current software version. Most importantly, you'll see an option to check for updates. Step 5. Initiating the update. Go ahead and select Check for updates. Your TV will now connect to the internet and check if there are any available software updates. If there's a new version, your TV will prompt you to download and install it. Step 6. Installing the update. Once the update is downloaded, your TV will guide you through the installation process. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. Your TV will restart once the update is complete. Conclusion. And there you have it. You've successfully updated the software on your LG TV. It's a simple process, but it ensures that your TV is running the latest features and improvements. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. If you have any questions or if there's a specific tutorial you'd like to see, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.